Everyone, welcome to a how-to video. We're gonna unbox the Tesla tire repair kit. So it's a plain box, as you can see. We're gonna open it up so you can really throw away the box. Now these used to come with a car. I can't remember, do they come with a car still? I know for the fact that in my case this came separately because they didn't have it on stock. So this is the tire repair kit. You have this like a little bag, not too heavy, and it's nice all around. Now I think this is the second version because it says that on the box here. Now I did have one, and what happened is you stumble upon people who got a punctured tire, so censored too. So I do not know if you can see the VIN number there, if this is like the second version. I had this one, and I believe it had a like a something here to caught onto the textile, or I think it was different. I might be wrong now, I can't remember. So you unzip this, and inside is the tire repair kit and tire pressure sensor. Now I'm going to open this little, there is a little manual here, user guide, and inside it's very dead simple. You have what's inside the box. You have the air compressor, and there's a little cartridge inside for the foam. Now as you can see on the hose here, the bottom hose that I'm going to show you on the other side is for your air. The top hose, the transparent one, is for patching up. There's a follow outlet, and you have it in multiple languages. Now what's the most important, the A picture is the hose you should use when you have a flat tire. And once you screw that on, then you turn it on and you inflate to the 22 psi or 1.5 bar. Now as I've mentioned, I stumbled upon on the Supercharger elderly couple. They just got their Model Y and they got a flat tire, so they didn't have this kit, so I gave them mine, and we've exchanged numbers, and they've you know, just sent me the money for the new kit that I've got the other day. So you have two buttons. I'm going to show you, one's for on and the other one's for deflating. Now in our case, we've charged to 3.1 bars because that's the standard load for the tire in the Model 3, and I think it was the same for the Model Y, at least for the 18-inch tire dimension. And you can drive only to 80 kilometer stops or 50 miles per hour. They did manage to come from the Italy Supercharger that was close to Slovenian border, close to Trieste, all the way to Salzburg in Austria, to their home. So they didn't have to, this was past midnight, so they didn't have to use the hotel and so on. So it was a lifesaver for them, and plus money not towing the car and so on. Now the picture, you can see that the bottom hose is for inflating your tire, which I'm going to demonstrate because my tire is a bit low. So instead of going to the gas station, I'm just going to use the one that I have here. Now let me take this out of the package here. So it's nicely designed. You can even do it with one hand if you are maybe I don't know, disabled person, for example. Now as you can see here on the cartridge, there's also the speed warning, and you can see here there's a switch. So this is for tire pressure and this is for patching. So this, as you can see, this is transparent, also has a little label there, and you can screw that to your air vent. So this is for patching sealant. When it starts working, you're gonna see like a white foam going through that. Now over here you can see the start button, and you can see here this is to, if you over inflate, then you can let some air out. So you can see both psi and bar. So think the bar is the outside number and then the PSI is the inside number. Now you can see the design of this, so you can take it out easily. There are also same that I showed you on the print pictures on the side. Now you can see the red button here. You've pressed that one and then you just pull it out. So this is the cartridge, as you can see that, and that's the bottom, that's the inside. So when you buy a new one, you just push it down in, press in, and locks into place, and that's it. Now at the bottom you can see there is some technical information. Now this is the hose to inflate your tires. You can see same here, and inside you also get this. So it's a different, you can inflate a maybe like a basketball ball with this as well, and maybe something else with the red part. Now you take out the 12 volt charger, and as you can see, it's folded. I'm gonna plug it in, so I'm just gonna skip to that. Now, as you can see, you can extend the hose. It's maybe like 30 centimeters long. I think this one's the same. Now you can extend the 12 volt. It's, I think, 2.5 meters, I would say, because it's longer than my hands when I spread them, which is my height. Now you can see there's a 12 outlet here on the front only. If you got a Model Y, then you have it, I think, in the cargo space as well. The Model 3 doesn't. So you unscrew the, so there's a thing, kids steal these, so you know, but they're pretty cheap. Okay, so you can screw this in. So once you have this secured, you don't forget to have the air. If it's the case where your tire is flat, you have to have this one and switch the switch to the left. In this case, it's on right. Now you press here, and that's it. When you shut it off, you can see the level, if it's correct or not, because the device is shaking, because compressors do that. Now for the Model 3, we need to get to 3.1. Now this is just for a demo. Now in case you are patching your tire that's gone flat, it's gonna take a few minutes to fill the tire with the foam and then to build up the pressure. And once that is filled, you need to wait 10 minutes for the foam to dry, and then you can drive to the recommended speed. Now, if you have a garage, you can use this tire repair kit or tire inflation kit to maintain your tire pressure. Or for some people, it's just going to be easier to get to the gas station and do it on the compressor. That's probably faster. Now in your car, if you go to the car settings and to the service, when you drive, you can see your tire pressure, but you need to drive, then the tire DPMS Bluetooth reads the pressure. You can of course have it in bar, PSI, depending on your settings. Now, if you like this video, be a cool person, give it a like, leave a comment below, because that way other people will see. And if you want to see more Tesla content, feel free to subscribe and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.